Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the Siri on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the settings, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you find Siri and search, and after that you just need to go click it. Now you just need to take a look on the Ask Siri here, and then you just need to turn on these two options here. Listen for Hey Siri, turn it on, and you just need to confirm that you want to enable the Siri, and you just need to follow everything here. Click the continue. Now you already activate the Siri, and you just need to start to say Hey Siri to activate them. So that's the way how to activate Siri on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.